No rest for the weary. Good evening, everyone. It's Eric here with weather for Weather Geeks on the 12th day of August, 2021. Another day with a couple of rounds of storms, and another day in which the computer models basically stunk. The kind of mid to late morning round of thunderstorms, not well forecast by our high-resolution models again last evening, so they were a little bit of a surprise. But we did time things out pretty well this afternoon, with round number 2 that went through late this afternoon and early this evening. Let's do a quick recap of where we've been, where we're going to go over the next couple of hours and through the next few days. We had lots of problems in Lawrence County with our late afternoon round of storms. We had several trees down in the New Wilmington area at about 5:15. We also had some pretty sizable hail. Kind of surprising how big the hail was in some spots. Now, a lot of this was pea-size, but we did have up to a quarter-size hail in a few spots in Lawrence County, especially, again, around the Newcastle area. And this setup today, with freezing levels as high in the sky as they were, with such a hot and humid air mass, the freezing level is way up there. And when it's way up there, it gets a little bit harder to get hailstones to survive that long trip all the way down to the ground, with being any larger than pea-size in this setup. But we did have some quarter-size hail, which, to be honest, surprised me a little bit. This was part of a swath of severe weather reports today, mostly to our north and west this morning, mostly in western PA this afternoon, and early this evening. And boy, I'll tell you, the Storm Prediction Center does a really nice job with their outlooks. You know, every now and then I have my qualms with the occasional outlook, but for the most part, really good. Compare the damage reports from today to the severe weather outlook they put out late this morning around midday, showing the enhanced risk from about Youngstown on east along I-80, basically a 3 on a 1 to 5 scale. We don't see enhanced risks very often around here, but it was justified, I think. We had some pretty sizable thunderstorms across our area late this afternoon. We also had a little too much rain at one time in western PA, so a flash flood warning still out until 8:45 this evening for parts of Lawrence and southern Mercer County, up to 2 inches worth of rain estimated by the radar in some of those locations. Now, the weather is quieting down in those spots. We have a little bit of leftover rain as of this recording at 7:16 in eastern Mercer County, but for the most part, western PA is doing better. Along the outflow of those earlier storms, we had a couple of cells that tried to get going down towards Route 39 in southern Columbiana County. They didn't amount to a whole lot. Some thunder and lightning, maybe some brief pea-size hail over towards Salineville, but for the most part, no big whoop with those. Now, it's going to be interesting to see how things progress this evening. A lot of this activity, of course, is going to stay to our south. We're going to keep an eye on this little cluster out towards I-71, closer to the Mansfield and Worcester areas. This may graze parts of our area before the evening is through, but a lot of the nasty activity down towards I-70 is going to try to stay mostly down there. Now, we still have a severe thunderstorm watch out for just about all of western PA and a good chunk of east central Ohio. Cleveland did pop most of their counties out of the watch, discontinued the watch for most of their counties earlier on, with the exception in our area of Mahoning County, still in the watch in Mahoning County. This runs until 10. We'll see if other counties get dropped from this watch over the next couple of hours. All right, here's our high-resolution futurecast, which has been very little help, to be honest, in the last few days, but here's the solution it has for tonight, with showers and storms just here and there, probably no big deal and probably non-severe for this evening, and then things quiet down overnight. Might start tomorrow with a stray shower. One more day to stay weather aware tomorrow. Tomorrow's SPC outlook shows the low end 1 on a 1 to 5 scale risk for severe weather. It's a lower risk than it looked like it would be a few days ago. We have a front coming in tomorrow, but some of the ingredients aloft, some of the support aloft that we've had over the last couple of days, won't quite be there tomorrow. Not to get too deep into the meteorology, but some of the ingredients just won't be there despite a pretty good front heading our way. So that's why the risk category at this point is not any higher. But that being said, still a very juicy air mass overhead tomorrow, and still, I think, a chance of some pretty decent thunderstorms, especially as we get into the afternoon. Stray shower or storm, possibility for the morning, better chance in the afternoon, early in the evening. Showers fade away by daybreak at the latest on Saturday. What a great day Saturday. Sunshine for the afternoon, a few high clouds, that'll be it. And as high pressure drifts around, just some high clouds on Sunday, another nice day. And I've been waiting all week to show this map, showing the dew points dropping by late Friday night, and especially into Saturday morning, settling into the 50s Saturday afternoon. That is going to feel amazing after dew points in the lower and in many places mid-70s, even some upper 70s dew points over the last 24 hours, and that is pretty rare stuff for our neck of the woods. All right, so the dew points crash over the weekend. They start coming up again on Monday. More humid by Monday afternoon, and then it's back to the soupy weather for midweek with highs in the lower 70s and some spotty showers and thunderstorms, and no shortage of warm air in the longer range. Yeah, it's August. It's supposed to be hot, right? But I mean, compared to average, this looks like a warmer than average pattern for much of mid-August. All right, I'm going to give my voice a rest, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your Thursday evening. Thanks for watching Weather for Weather Geeks, and I'll see you back here on Friday.